Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. In this video we will start from the scratch and see how we can make a file in GitHub for Docker integration with AWS EC2 instance. So we will log into our GitHub account, and then in GitHub we will make a new repository as I have made here, you can see. Also I have made one EC2 instance on AWS and have configured everything in it. You can see public IP here of the EC2 instance. And next you have to make a Docker account for it and make one private repository in Docker. Okay, so now in GitHub within this repository, we will make one text file as I have made one index.html file. This is a very short and small HTML file which consists of basic words like how are you. Successfully deployed Docker. And then we will commit this file to the main branch. Now we will make one Docker file in this same repository as I have made, just going through it. This file will use Nginx. From Nginx, it will copy index.html, so that's it for this file. Now commit this file too in the main branch. Now in another step we have to make a YAML file which has the configuration for Docker CI/CD pipeline. Now let's see what does it contains. Before that, make a directory named .github, and inside that make a folder workflows, and into that name your docker demo.yml. As this was a large file, so I have configured it already in my VS Code. Let me show it to you. So this is your YML configuration file. Just copy this and paste it into GitHub YML file. Also this configuration has some indentations that has to be carefully done, and also take care that you are entering secrets carefully into your GitHub secrets. You can find it in repository settings. Also as written here, enter your EC2 instance credentials carefully in your secrets. So basically this file contains Docker login stuff and EC2 instance login credentials. Now simply commit these changes to the main branch and go to GitHub Actions. After successful deployment of the job, you can copy the public IP of your EC2 instance and paste it to your browser. Your content from index.html file would be visible. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.